To add book an appointment on LinkedIn, start by logging into your LinkedIn account and navigating to your profile page. Click on the Work Experience section and then click on the Add Profile section button. Select Services from the drop-down menu and click on Get Started. Enter the details of your service including name and description and set the duration and price of your service. You can also add a location and a schedule for your service. Click on Save to save your service and make it visible to others. To make it easy for others to book an appointment with you, you can add a Book Now button to your profile. To do this, go to the Services section and click on the Share button next to your service. Copy the link provided and go back to your profile page. Click on the Add Profile section button and select Link from the drop-down menu. Paste the link you copied and add a label such as Book an Appointment with me. Click on Save to save the changes to your profile. Now when others visit your profile, they will see a Book Now button and can easily book an appointment with you. Best practices for using the Book an Appointment feature on LinkedIn include clearly describing your services and setting a competitive price. You should also make sure to respond promptly to appointment requests and follow up with clients after appointments. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Book an Appointment feature on LinkedIn to grow your business and expand your professional network.